It's Tuesday. All right, question of the day. What simple change could you make in your life that would make the biggest positive articulation probably for me. What change would you make in your life that would make the biggest positive impact on it? For me, it would probably be diet. I am notoriously just really inconsistent. So I'm trying to learn how to cook. I think like the 800 gram challenge, if you guys have heard of that, that's just consume 800 grams every day of either just fruits or veggies or just, if you do that, your life is probably gonna be better across the board. Whether you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, eat healthier, have performance things, eat more veggies. So I'm trying to do that. I eat a lot of broccoli, love me some broccoli. So we're working on it, but that's probably the biggest thing I could probably do. All right, let's talk CrossFit. So we got some more movement stuff. I threw some things in there. What you're gonna do, 3 rounds of this, 2 to 3, depending what you wanna do. Maybe 4, I don't know, have some fun. 20 seconds of a wall walk plank. What's that? You're gonna get into a push-up position, just like you would normally do for your wall walk, and then I just want you to walk up a little bit. So get to the point where your body is parallel with the ground. About 1.5 feet off, depending on how short your arms are. So mine's gonna be like 4 inches off the ground, whatever. Hold that for 20 seconds, okay? If you can protract your shoulders, so shoot that shoulder to the front of the socket, extra points, okay? Extra points if you can also tuck your tailbone and then really squeeze your abs, hollow out. Awesome. Once you get done with that 20-second hold, you've got 10 cat-cows, okay? I want you to take the time to experiment with what you need in a cat-cow. I like to tie this in with my breath, okay? So I'm gonna inhale into cow, where I'm sticking my chest through and dropping my back down, and then exhale as I go to cat and really flexing my spine and pulling everything towards the ceiling. But do what you need to do. Don't feel restricted by that. You can also rotate through it and dance a little bit, make some circles. When you get done with there, stay in that quadruped position, so on your hands and knees, and I just want you to do 10 shoulder circles. Make sure you keep the elbows locked out though. It's really easy to do a shoulder circle and get caught actually doing an elbow thing. Lock it out, be able to isolate that shoulder or scapula joint. When you get done with those, we've got some ballistic leg swings, but on the ground. So you're gonna lay on your back, you're gonna pull your leg up to its end range and then put it back down straight. And then once you get done with 5 of those, you're gonna do 5 crossed over. So you're gonna come up with the leg at 90 degrees to the ground and then flop it over, making a little bit of a twist. But you're gonna do that relatively quickly, so ballistically, if you will. So don't make it a static stretch, make it dynamic. 5 of each of those on each side for 2 sets. Then we'll get into some more shoulder stuff. So you're gonna do 10 prone WYs. If you don't know what that is, lie face down, make a W with your elbows and shoulders, and then make a Y with your elbows and shoulders. Just draw some shapes, it's good for you. When you get done there, pop up into an inchworm, but with no push-up. So you're just gonna stretch the hamstrings out, walking the hands back and forth. Think about clawing the ground, okay? Use your hands for this. Don't think of it as you're doing it for reps. Do it for awareness of your shoulders and your hands and your forearms and what they can do for you as a part of your body. Awesome. Once you get done there, the reason we didn't do a push-up is we're gonna do 5 to 10 piked push-ups, okay? Just to shake the shoulders out from the day before. If they are wrecked, scale that down. All I want you guys to do is move the shoulders and triceps because they're gonna be a little bit erect from all those push-ups yesterday. Awesome, moving on. We've got some gymnastics. This is not for time, this is for quality. What I want you guys to do is 10 rounds or 4 to 10 rounds, whatever you got, just stay successful during this. We don't want to start just failing and failing and failing and failing. That's not how we learn gymnastics. That's not how we get better at these movements. So stay successful. If you burn out, scale it down or just call it for the day and move on to the other Metcon. Here's what it's gonna look like though. 25-foot handstand walk into 30 seconds of an easy machine, easy bike, easy jog, okay? Scales for this, we've got wall walks, so like 3 to 5 wall walks, 5 inchworms if we are not comfortable doing wall walks or we're just tired of wall walks. We can also play around with some shoulder taps, okay? So facing against the wall or facing out from the wall, rocking through some control there, followed by easy jog, easy machine, or easy jump rope, something along those lines. Awesome. Let's talk about the CrossFit portion of this. You've got 2 7-minute AMRAPs separated by 3 minutes of rest. Cool? Cool. Let's get the abs involved. You're gonna go through 20 toes to bar, or alternating single leg V-ups, or just some sit-ups, some sort of ab contraction. Get her done. Once you get done there, you got 15 box jumps or odd object jump over things. Just hop over some things. Get some plyometrics in. And then we've got 10 Russian kettlebell swings or a Russian swing with your backpack or whatever it is that you've got. Or some like hang power cleans or hang dumbbell cleans, okay? If you've got a barbell or you're looking for like some weight guidance, 135/95 or like 250s or 235, something along those lines. That's an AMRAP for 7. So if you get done before the 7 minutes, go back to the toes to bar. Awesome. Once the 7 minutes is up, rest until the 10-minute mark, so a 3-minute rest period, and then rock it out again. Afterwards, if you want to do some extra work, we've got a Tabata of some reverse push-ups. That's kind of cool. It's very similar to that reverse chair plank. You're just going to drive your elbows down, really feel the back of your armpit kick on, getting some lat involvement coupled with some glute bridges on the other side. Cool. I hope you guys had a wonderful start to your week, and we will be back tomorrow for the Wednesdays.